Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Fine? Oh, good. Class, today we will learn table of 2. Are you ready? Yes? Let's go. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 sixes are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, 2 tens are 20. Now watch the video again and again. Like, share and subscribe our channel. If you want video on any topic, then ask. Okay? Bye.